Hello YouTube. So here we have two functioning biodigesters acting independently from one another. They've just got their outlets joined up. Now, how this works is we've got a PVC pipe. This is our inlet. It goes all the way down to the bottom. I've ripped this pipe about 150 mil up from the bottom and put a 45-degree cut on it, so it gives it a nice big opening for the food waste to come out through the inlet, so it doesn't get stuck. And then this pipe here is our outlet, and this pipe, it has a hole cut in the middle of it, and it faces that way. So both holes, they face that way, which allows the most retention time for the food to go in, do its thing, which is roughly 25 days. The stuff should be staying in there before it finds its way back out and comes out as a fertilizer. So food waste goes in, goes down, solids stay at the bottom, fermenting, producing gas, breaking down, all the microbiomes doing their thing. Liquids settle in the middle here, float up on top of the solids, and your fats, lipids float on top of the liquids, and then our gas collects in the top here. So how this works, we put biodegradable material in here, which might be fruits, vegetables, any dinner scraps. As far as I know, you don't put bones in here unless they've been ground up, but you can put fats, oils, foods, meats. So to get these things started, you kick them off with some animal droppings, animal poo. That can be anything from goats, cows, chickens, camel, whatever you really have available to you. I know in Brazil they're using dog poo. I know in some countries they're using human feces. So pretty much anything will get this thing started. So for the first 2 weeks or so, until you start producing gas, you only put animal droppings in these. So from my research, it's about 20% manure that you put in these things to begin with. 20% manure, 80% water. Obviously, you need to fill it up so that it's above the outlet hole. So pretty much that's how you get this thing. You put your animal poo in with water, mixed at 20% poo to 80% water, fill it all the way up until it's above there. Now, the way I did that was I pretty much just got a stick and kept dipping it in here until I could kind of tell from the mark on the stick, the wet stick, that it would be above the hole that I'd cut, which was halfway down this barrel for the outlet. So every 25 days or so, the fermentation will pretty much be complete on anything that you put in there, and then it will start coming out roughly about 25 days after you've put it in. Once it's producing gas, you can start putting all your food wastes and stuff in at a ratio of 50-50 to my understanding. So for every bucket of food waste you put in, you put a bucket of poo, or poo and water. So so food goes in, ferments, liquids float in the middle here, lipids on top, gas is there. This is our gas outlet. Sorry, I should just go back a bit. This is a plug and flow. So as you put food in, the lighter material, which is the liquid, will be forced out, and it will come up here and out, and this